Come on in. Oh, ready for another tech chat, huh? Okay. So, how are we doing today? Good. So, we are on the eve of the biggest day for tomorrow for those content creators. And a lot of you, on YPP, I made some changes to my other channels. I just want to say, let me see, am I dead center? Okay, hold on a second, let me see. All right. Yeah. All right, I'm dead center. Okay, so I took one of my other channels. I had like a dating channel. I converted to something more useful. So it's Coach Albert ASMR. Check that out. So you just type Coach COACH Albert ALBERT. So space ASMR. Go there. If you want quiet, relaxing. So we'll do that. The first video on that is Bob ASMR scalp massage and haircut. What did I call it again? Silly me. Oh yeah. Yeah. With a haircut and a shave, yeah. That's pretty good. Check that out. It's about over 30 minutes, but gotta start somewhere. There's a short with that too. It's doing pretty well. If you go there, do subscribe. Okay. All right. That's all. Thumbs up. It helps. Like I said, everything helps. Trying to get that going up to it. Now, that's not going to be comedy. No, that's going to be a serious, relaxing, healing. Relaxing channel, not healing. Relaxing channel. So, yeah, I did want to make another channel for ASMR. So, got that one there. That's role play. It's going to be doing different things because we have a medical one already for role play. Okay, so that's it. We still have the comedy channel too, the fun. I've been doing different voices like, oh goodness gracious, you're getting to be a pain. And you got that one. That's introducing new. We also do my son. Oh, Dad, can me and Julian hang out together? That's my son. Yeah. Then we got Betty. Oh, hey. And you got Charlie. Oh boy, here we go. Like that. Got a couple others I do. So do that. And then we have the Jamaican. We have the Jamaican who makes he's a chef. Hey, how do I do that? Oh yeah, man, we're gonna have some rice and cheese. Yeah, you got that. Yeah, do different kind of characters. So that's on the comedy channel. Okay. If you need healing, we have the Reiki with Albert. That's a grandmaster on that one. That's real. Okay, that's real healing. That's not make believe. Okay. All right, so we have that. We do have a chef channel too, but I haven't made anything lately. We're gonna fix that one up too. But when we get around to it, it's a lot of work. Yeah. I want to put out a video here every day, so you have something to listen to. So what's new? So we have the big thing tomorrow. The big monetization changes with the AI. I wasn't too sure what they were gonna do, so I removed the AI stuff that I had on this channel. Well, I just put it on hold for now. It's there, but it's hidden. And then on my comedy channel, I had it there too, because I don't know what they're gonna consider. AI. Chatting with the AI and having it chat back to me. We know we can't put music, and I guess that's be basically the same thing too. We can, yeah. Well, the music that I created, I'm not creating anymore since I know that company is being sued, and by using they use music banks, because that's not the AI. The AI talks to you because it's they use trained voice tracks or banks or for it to get. Well, think it's a computer, right? What does the computer do? You can type, and the computer can type back what you say. Hey, what's the weather like today? And the computer will type it back today. Okay. I noticed on if I go to the search engine, well, default search engine is look up books. Okay, so experimental AI would pop up. Okay, for search. Then if you want to go, I have an option to go AI mode, right? It's basically Gemini. That's what that is. That's a top one. So it's still being trained. You gotta remember something. All these AIs are work in progress. Okay, all the video editing and everything. That's why they make mistakes. You know, the hands are not right. Or they got too many. Or not dressed the way you want. Like for instance, if I say I need a picture of an egg with 3 chickens on there, they might give you one of the chickens might be a little chicken, and not give you and might give you a rooster and a hen. They give you the complete opposite. They can never get it right. It might take them several tries to get that picture right, but like it's not like that. So you have to make sure what they give you is real and it's correct. Okay, that's for sure. The video editing is very limited to 8 seconds. You know, gee, you pay a lot for 8 seconds. But the reason for that is, I guess, that all the storage and all the capabilities. Well, why not just say, here's a $500 for the software. You can run it at your home. You need this is the kind of computer you need, either a Mac, a Windows box, or a Linux box, or a Chrome OS, whatever you need to generate and run the device at home. And this is how much storage you need, and this is how much RAM you need, and you can create it at home. Then they wouldn't have to worry about all these storage requirements, and you can make the video that you need to make. But then again, where are you going to get the different banks? Or, you know, the banks of creating the graphics and creating where they're getting all the graphics from, and are they going to look similar to something else? Same thing with the music. When they create the music, where they get the voices from, where they get the musicians from, where they get it from? Out of the blue? Is it virtual? Just like let's say the Pro, Logic Pro for the Mac OS. I don't know if it's available for iOS, but all those samples of songs, they come from people, but they give away for free. So they have a whole bunch of samples. And you're supposed to take the sample and you're supposed to make something out of it, if you can, or you make your own music. I have so we have this is synthesize. This is hybrid modeling synthesizer. Okay, and this could come on. Let me see. Now, if this is plugged into a computer or it's plugged into a DAW, DAW, a digital audio interface, then you would hear it. You would hear it how it sounds. And then you would play from it. I could look it up. Let's see. I should have the adapter. No, I don't have the adapter. I need an adapter to plug this into my thing there. I thought I had one. There's an adapter to convert this into to full size. This is Type C to Type C. This one I could do it. I believe it's Type C to it's Type C to the 3. Yeah, can't do it. I think I have to use a smaller cable. And then we have drum machine. Okay. See, I don't know if a lot of people are doing anything anymore or just give up and they say, well, the AI can do it quicker, you just tell it what to sing and it produces the music. Yeah, but how was it producing the music? That was the whole key of it all. Yeah. So, yeah. Well, I'll get this thing going. I haven't done anything. I can get these modules, right, from Roland. Okay, each one is bass, chords, vocal. You can change your voice. It's bass, vocal. I mean drums, chords. I think it's 5 of them. Synthesizer. They're expensive. They're like $200 each, and it's 5 of them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1,000 there. So you plug it into the keyboard. A keyboard that can handle, it's a special keyboard that can handle modules, right? And you create your music that way. Or you use a keyboard and it has bass, it has the drum pads, it has a keyboard, so it's all in one. You can do that and create your music that way. Yeah, a lot of you do it that way too. It takes time though. Yeah, it's time consuming. Well, that's how you would make music. I would recommend making it on Mac OS than than Windows, because Windows have a tendency of crashing. Well, the reason why it crashed is it's the way it was designed, and they're doing a lot. Well, the Mac, they have everything separate. It should get better, but a lot of you know what happens. That's why a lot of you run to the Mac. And the Mac is expensive. Well, you can get a used one. Only problem getting a used Macs is that they don't support certain models up to a certain point, and then you can't get the software. So when you get it and you have the software, then you're okay. You don't have to worry about anything. But if you get an older one now and you try to get Logic Pro, it might be fairly difficult to get with the normal means of getting it. Okay. On YouTube Premium or YouTube Movies, I've been watching all these. Let's see if I can find them before I run away. I'm not playing anything. I got to. Let me see if I can get there without. I'm trying to see if I can get there without running my channel. I was gonna run it anyway. Oh, got it. I snapped it just in time. Okay, so. Well, they have a lot. If you're into like so it's free. They had all the Batman stuff, Superman, Justice League, had all that for free to watch. I haven't seen them now though. Maybe getting closer to the end of them. What's this? I was watching all of those. Let me see. Ooh. Yeah. History. Where is it? Ah, come on. I know I was watching it. Oh, Batman Unlimited. Max versus Mutants. I didn't watch that one though. That's free to watch. Batman versus Dracula. Did watch that. That was it wasn't rated. It was free. It was kind of. How would I rate that? 5 out of 5? Not really. Let's put it this way. It had its moments. I watched Justice League, Gods and Monsters. That was pretty interesting. That was like a different Superman version of Superman. That wasn't too bad. if you had to rate it by 5, I would give that maybe about a 3. It wasn't that bad, and it wasn't boring. It was this. It was interesting. Um, there's a movie called Army of One, which wasn't. It's slow. It has action. That's it. A movie like that would get 3 stars. It wouldn't get 4 stars. That's what I would give that one. I don't really watch too many of those. I try to watch that. What else I got here? Justice League, Crisis on Earth. A lot of them, they're like 3 stars. I mean, they're okay. You can check out those. If you got Prime, Premium, sorry. If you got Premium, YouTube Premium, there's no ads on those. Oh. Well, this is a weird cartoon. The boy has no idea that his blank cells are on a brutal race to fertilize, the girlfriend. Okay, let's put it that way. I don't want to say exactly what it is. I guess, I don't know if it's allowed, and I don't know how long it's been on. It's called Cartoon Recaps. So basically, it's narrated. I don't know how they get away with showing the entire movie and then doing a recap on it, well, that's what it's called. You might want to check that out. I'm not recommending it, but it's a little bit odd to watch, but that's it. So that's what's new on for our daily chats for today. Be careful with the remember deadline tomorrow. I'm gonna have to change one of my channels. I'm gonna get this going. This is good. This is a synthesizer to create your music in a different way. You can get a gigantic keyboard, or a lot of keyboards have it built in already too. A lot of pianos or digital pianos have synthesizers built into it. You got to know what you're doing. Some pianos play by themselves, or some teach you how to play. But it's up to you. If you want to make your own music, or the AI could do it. Write the lyrics. I know you. I see you and I see you. And then she or he or who is going to sing the song for you will get it from something and make it sound wonderful. Wow, that sounds better than me saying, hey, you, I see you. You see me because I see you. I know, you know me. I am here to see. I know it sounds like a rhyme, but yeah, something like that. Okay, so this is a daily chat. We talk about daily things. As for the AIs, like I said, they're put on hold until I see what's happening on the channel. See what's happening. I don't know what they're doing exactly, so I'll find out. Similar people who are similar to me. Let's see if they survived. Okay, that's about it. Hey, see you tomorrow with another one. Hey, if you like this, hit the subscribe button. Thumbs up. Okay. All right. We're out of here.